my people, how una there, una be, una welcome back again to a lot of bogus crazy update. Una know as the be before we start this story now. Make una like this video, share, comment at the same time, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you will be the first person to see it one time. At the same time, make una follow me on my Facebook page as Baba K TV. Alright, before we start this story where you carry us come here, my people, I would like make I say a very big barricade salah to all my Muslim brothers and sisters all over the world. And I pray may God grant our prayer and our heart desire and give us long life and prosperity so that we go feel witless the next salah where they come next year. All right, now without wasting no time, may we enter the story where carry us come here. So for my people, make una check out this truck. This the way I want show now. So this is the Apple for Port Harcourt for Nigeria. And this thing I see and the thing really shock me for this kind public place. This kind truck, they go with condemned tires. In fact, this thing are just ordinary wheel, like or just they move so. And this truck, when I see, so it carry a lot of heavy load. And I believe say some road safety in that country where they say they feel say this thing, they will just pay them fee or they will just collect small bribe. They will just let this truck pass. And at the end of the day, this truck will just go commit one kind of bad accident along the road. Where we say a lot of people go lost their life. Make I show now the video, make una see the way the matter take be. Make una tell me what una really reason concerning this matter of this truck where we say at the show now. So, oh yeah, verificate. So I don't see the thing where they show now. So I dey imagine for this kind of public place, this kind of truck they move and nobody they would they stop and they would they tell and say make you wait. This kind of thing go even fit cause big accident for this country for this road where be say you dey. Shey una dey see and so now the matter now just say make I let una know, make una see the kind thing where they happen for the country. So and this thing nobody they want address the issue because everybody attention dey different place. Meanwhile for other country, for western country, this kind of thing no go fit happen. Shey una dey see am so una will just dey always dey put blame say why people do us this, why people do us that. Meanwhile there are many things wey be say we go need to do to coordinate the country by ourselves. We no go do am and we go come dey put blame for other people body wey be say their matter even still dey their own body and they know how they take the handle am well. Alright my people, make we enter another story wey carry us come here. Make you tell me what you really reason concerning that one where they show now. So past 1 week now, social media don catch fire concerning the burial ceremony of Obi Cubana mama wey be say they do, where a lot of millionaires come show their body, let them know say money pass money. And this thing now don dey cause a lot of talk for many people mouth. Even many people don dey vow, they made up their mind say e no get dey be this money they go get am. Shey una dey see am so. And the matter as e dey go so, I go really advise a lot of people make una really take her easy because this thing wey happen so, this guy celebrating mama, but the celebration of the burial, e can't even pass burial sef. This thing now e don even be like say na consent. Shey una dey see am so. Even some Buhari rally sef campaign e no even full like this. So tey a lot of people come dey even dey use hand. See as people dey use hand dey butcher fresh meat, dey drag fresh meat. Even many people, the community mainly dey use hand dey pick, dey pack pepper soup comot for pot, hot pepper soup. Such people they spray money like say na any other thing. And the thing they imagine a lot of people, many people don't they get different talk, say na ritualist there, na ritual money and all those stuff. My brother, when this burial ever start, where it ever happen, you don't know whether those guys they be ritualists or not. One thing wey just dey be say whether person make genuine or the money no genuine, me I no fit judge that thing. But one thing wey I know be say when you get like 100 naira, or let me say you get 100,000 naira in your account, you fit get the boldness to spray 1,000 naira without you go still get some money wey be your backbone, wey be say you go even feel like say you no even spend anything, because you go still get like 99,000 naira for your account. All those guys, they be billionaire. Shey una dey see am? So all those guys, they are billionaires. Many of them, they are millionaires. So you no go fit expect person wey get billion for account. And that burial wey dey see so, I no believe say anybody really dey wey spend, wey spray up to like 10 million or 20 million. Just go imagine, even me wey I dey, if I be billionaire, I get billions for account. For me to spray 20 million out of my 1 billion, it no be any problem. And these people, they do this thing willingly. Even the Obi Cubana sef wey do this Imama burial, I no even sure say this guy will spend any money for the thing. Mona go check his profile and the way a lot of people they talk about him. How it do good for a lot of people, because today now there are many people wey be say it's good to be good to a lot of people, but a lot of people wey be say if you do good for them, at the end of the day they will still be ungrateful to you. One thing about this success na to just get the key and see the person wey go lick you up. No be everything will just the reason ritualist and all those things. Those people are love they really come show to this guy. And according to the guy story wey I don dey hear, everything wey I don dey hear about this guy, they say this guy really help most of those his friends well. He showed them way, and he give them the key to success, and all of them, they are really doing well. They are all billionaires, millionaires. He no hide anything for them. Not like many of us wey be say once the person see opportunity, some of his friends, his fellow friends, many of them don become witches and wizards to am, to come show them way. You go be like saying any other thing. Person wey be so that they cannot dey eat for the same pot before, automatically, because things don dey go well for you, those people don't turn to witches and wizards. See as they dey show am love because of the same love wey be say e don first show them before. Shey una dey see am? So most of those people that they also dey get party wey be so big Cubana go there, go show up to them. But because I say that we no dey see all those ones, na mama una we see many people don dey corner ritual. And this thing wey I dey tell una, so make una check out this our brother wey they call Kanayo, wetin he really talk concerning this thing wey be say I dey show una. So oya verificate.
Hello friends, onye jingajieli, onye jiaka. We all become strong by lifting others. Impact and investments in people is the greatest kind of investment. We all took our time out of our busy schedules to celebrate our brother Obiyebu Opatuzuora due to his support and investment in others. OS is a burial, but also a celebration of life for his beloved mother, Ezinne Ucheyebu Odoziaku. Now ask yourself, how have you in fact impacted those around you? Lessons from the burial. Hard work and being selfless for others pays. Obi Cubana epitomizes that. Helping those in your circle to grow is a huge social capital investment. Now the question is, what is your social capital? If you're not in government,
listen, I don't see the thing where they show now. So now the way the guy they do good to a lot of people, that's why a lot of people still turn up, come show this guy love. See the way they don't able to throw bundle of money. It does they able to share money like saying a football. Because they make a lot of people they depressed, they frustrated as if the life. They know they try. My guy, you dey try now because of say you never meet up with the right people wey go really show you way forward. And one thing wey I go just tell a lot of people, just to check out this guy pick 100,000 naira, full 100,000 naira bundle of 100 naira note. Shey una dey see am? So many people now don dey even dey form say no matter how they be, they go make this money anyhow they be. My guy, person wey you no know the story, I take make his success. No go do body, won't go dey put body, say you won't go dey do challenge for people wey you no even know their source of wealth. You will just kill your papa, kill your mama for nothing, or you use yourself to do the ritual for nothing, and you no go fit still meet up. Let you know, And one thing wey I go try to let you know be say nobody reach pass for this life. This the Obi Kubana wey una dey see say una dey shout all those things. Their own money na poverty to some of our Nigeria politicians wey be say dem no still dey show theirself. So make you look out to say the one wey you get to na another people prayer point wey be say dem won't get, but that one no go make you give up, still dey try hard. One day everybody go get to that success, everybody go get to that level wey be say we really want to reach. And may I tell you one thing about we human, we no dey always dey satisfy. Even if you still get to the level of this the Obi Kubana wey be say you dey always dey trip for now, you will still try make you still get more than them. Na the life be that. You will still see at the level many money wey be say they don discover from Abacha since. They don't discover from Abacha since many of those Obi Kubana friends sef they don't even get am. Person wey don die, not to talk of our present politicians wey dey there alive now. Shey you dey see am? Even this thing now come dey even dey link to the extent some of our lazy youth now don dey send message go dey meet this our brother wey dey act movie, because of say this guy dey always dey act ritualist movie, which is Yul Edochie. Now they don dey send that message now say make e show dem way, dem wan join court and all those stuff. Now this guy tell dem say jejeje say na e role na just dey play to the art movie o, e no be ritualist. Make I show na the way the matter take play and how e take post and take dey defend himself. He say Yul Edochie said some people are sending me messages begging me to show them where they can do money ritual. Come on now guys, come on. Na film I dey act. Just like American action films where one man will defeat a whole city of bad guys. Na story now be that. E no dey happen. Is it now a crime to be a good actor? Make I no shop. Na one for una o. So na wetin this guy take reply dem. Many people now don dey form say anyhow they be, they must make this money by fire by force. May you still dey remember say the Nigeria police, even madness, anything where you put your hand so e get repercussion. Shey you dey feel me so make you no go dey put body for where your body no reach. Na the story na say make I share with una so. For those wey get ear, may they hear, and abeg may we caution ourselves, because I know say this Obi Kubana matter wey just happen so e go lead a lot of people to some kind of decision wey be say they no supposed to take, wey go lead them to a bad way, wey be say go lead many to madness, lead many to stations, lead many to their untimely death. So may una think wise, make una no let this thing wey happen make e go be like say e go lead una to another thing. When Obi Kubana dey suffer, una no know. And when this guy don dey make e success, how e take make e success, una no dey there. So you wey be say you dey try dey survive with your life, may you still dey manage up like that. One day your story go change. So thank you very much my people for watching this video from the beginning to the end. At the same time, may you subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification, follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV. Thank you very much for watching, and may God kindly bless you until I see you guys again in my next video. Peace out.